Activating your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max on Xfinity Mobile is now primarily done via eSIM, a digital SIM embedded in your phone. This eliminates the need for a physical SIM card in most cases. To activate, you'll need a compatible iPhone, an active Xfinity mobile plan, and a stable internet connection. The process involves purchasing a plan, then scanning a QR code provided by Xfinity Mobile using the Xfinity mobile app. This QR code contains all the necessary information to provision your eSIM. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi during this process. After scanning, confirm the details and you should receive an SMS confirmation upon successful activation. If you're transferring your number from another carrier like AT&T or T-Mobile, this can be done during the eSIM setup process. Xfinity Mobile automates the porting process, often taking only 1 to 2 hours. In case of activation issues, ensure your iPhone's iOS is updated. Resetting network settings can also help. If problems persist, the Xfinity mobile app now features AI-driven troubleshooting to assist. For users in rural areas with potentially weaker signals, the Xfinity mobile app can guide you through troubleshooting steps to ensure a successful activation, even without visiting a store.